Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Computing series. In this video, we are going to discussing a brief introduction about cloud computing. Did you know that we are already using a cloud computing every day? When we watch a Netflix or save photos on a Google Drive or send an email, we are using the cloud. But what exactly is cloud computing? Let's break it down in the simplest way. Yes, cloud computing, it is like renting a computer over the internet. Instead of buying and maintaining it, it allows us to store files or run programs and use services from anywhere without needing a powerful hardware. Okay, think of it like using electricity. We don't need to build a power station at home. We just pay for what we use, right? So, cloud computing works the same way. How does cloud computing work? See, user sends a request, for example, uploads a file or runs a program. The cloud provider processes and stores the data in a remote data center, and user can access it from any device with the help of internet. Let's see types of cloud computing. Yes, the first one is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. Example for this, AWS or a Google Cloud. Yes, these are the example for infrastructure as a service. Using this, we can rent a virtual computers instead of buying a servers. Okay, the second type is PaaS, that is platform as a service. Example for these are Heroku or a Firebase. Yes, these are the example for platform as a service. Using this, we can develop apps without worrying about managing servers. Okay, and the third one is SaaS, that is software as a service. Example, Gmail or a Dropbox. These are the example for software as a service. Is using this, we can use apps directly on the internet. Its benefits of cloud computing are, in this, no need for expensive hardware, and we can access it from anywhere, and automatic updates and backups, and it is scalable, that is, we can use as much as we need. Yes, some of the real-time example of this cloud computing are Google Drive and Dropbox. Using this, we can store and share files without worrying about losing them. Okay, and then Netflix or a YouTube. Using this, videos are stored in a cloud, so we can stream anytime. And then online gaming, right? Games like a Fortnite and PUBG use cloud servers to run smoothly. And these are the topics of first module, that is distributed system models and enabling technologies. In this, we are going to discussing about scalable computing over the internet, technologies for network-based systems, and system models for distributed and cloud computing, and software environments for distributed systems and clouds, performance and security and energy efficiency. We'll discuss in the next videos. Thank you.